Hi loves, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these type of videos, cleaning, cooking, stick around and smash the like button. My loves, thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I hope you're here to stay and we're gonna have a lot of fun this year. I'm coming in full swing, guys. A lot of work to be done. I want my channel to grow, so support the channel and I hope I don't disappoint you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to degrease my oven, my cooker, and I mean it's been a nightmare because no matter what I use, it's not coming off all these grease. I don't know what I've been cooking, to be honest with you, that is so greasy everywhere. A lot of grease. Oh my god, that hurt. That really hurt, guys. Pay attention when you're dancing and cleaning, alright? Because that bloody hurt. Pay attention. Guys, do you know any products that I could use to degrease my stove? Because I need something that will just sort of melt all these grease oils from the walls, from the stove, and yeah, from the cooker. Because guys, I mean, the struggle is real. It's very sticky around that area and I'm trying to, you know, not show too close up. Yes, it's very greasy and embarrassing. Guys, I'm gonna plan another declutter. Can you see on the right side of the cooker? Yes, there's loads of cords. We have got mop, you have got hair straighteners, a hair curler. I mean, name it. I don't know why. Why is that in the kitchen? Why is it in that side? I mean, it's really bothering me, especially when I watch and I see that all that piled up in the corner. So my loves, I'm gonna use this bad boy here, bicarbonate soda, just to add that extra shine to the stainless steel in the sink. Yes, guys, I live in a council flat. I could perhaps change my kitchen, but yeah, it's the council, and hopefully I'll buy my own place. And yeah, so that's what we're doing here. We just sort of, give it that extra polish, sheen, make it look nice, you know. So guys, I picked my daughter from school. Now I'm gonna make dinner. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you share as well. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off showing you guys what I'm making. Guys, it's very simple. You need a bunch of chicken. I will be sort of a boiling cooking the chicken, and I'll debone as well and take the skin off as well. Then I'll peel the potatoes. You need a bunch of eggs for it. I'm probably gonna use 4 only because it's myself and my daughter only. Ginger, onions, and I'm just gonna have some olives to decorate the plate. So I'll pretty much be making like chips, like chips from French fries type of thing. That's what I'm gonna be doing here. And then, like I said, I'll be boiling the chicken and fry the chips. So ladies, we're gonna need some onions, garlic, olive oil, and your chicken. Of course, you have to season your chicken. Normally do 24 hours before start cooking. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here and chatting to my daughter. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Enough to subscribe. Don't forget to press that notification button as well. Thank you guys. Basically, that's how you want. So basically, those are the chips and diced onions there. I'll be frying, making this like French chips. So my loves, here's the beautiful chicken legs. I mean, they are tasty already. The smell has taken over the whole apartment. Guys, yes. When I cook, my neighbors will notice, okay? So I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Smash that like button, guys. Ladies, here are the ingredients. You see bay leaves, you see garlic, you see ginger, olives, and then you have your chips. And then you have got your eggs that you're gonna be beating them to death, okay? So that's what I'm just sort of putting in this dish. Very simple, very easy. Please do not mind my nails. You know, I've been cleaning, so you know those carrying pads. Yeah, they don't forgive at all, at all, at all. Be careful with salt though. Be careful with salt because you already seasoned your chicken, and I'm assuming you know you don't want a salty type of food. Yeah. So I'm here just drying off the excess water in the chips and ready to fry them. Some nosy people out there, this is not the cloth that I dry my dishes. So yeah, that's fresh, clean one. All right, guys. Meanwhile, also I am taking all the bone out of the chicken, and I will show you guys once everything is completed. So all done. So we have got oh my god, they look so bad. Yeah, sorry chicken. So now I am going to start cooking with onions and the bay leaf and the garlic, and I'll be showing you guys this really quick meal for you to make for your family. Okay, so I'm going to beat the eggs, and I will be also start on the chicken. All right. Cutting some paper, guys, is called, is it the grease paper? I mean, just to, you know, suck in all that oils off the chips. Sound like there's a problem. I know you're hungry. Takes 5 minutes. That's what I'm telling my subscribers. Takes 5 minutes. Guys, I'm talking to my 10-year-old daughter. She's absolutely starving. I mean, she finished school and she is at home now, and she's complaining that the school food is rubbish, and yeah, she's just dying to eat my dinner. You know, she says mommy's cooking is the best. She never tried this dish before. We normally have with the codfish, but yeah, this is another take in the Portuguese frango a Brás, okay, which is chicken, and Brás is just the way it's styled and cooked. All right, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm on the road for 1,000 subscribers, guys. It means a lot to me. Please do not forget to share also. Garlic paste and ginger and bay leaves as well. Start off by putting that in there. Those bones can go in the bin. No. Ladies, for some of you that don't know, I live just myself and my daughter. A single mom of one, and yeah, my daughter is 10 years old. We reside in the UK. All right, guys, any comments, please leave down below. I know a lot of my subscribers came to my channel because of fragrances. Yes, guys, I've got plenty to share with you, love. I hope you follow my videos, and you know, and I find these type of videos very entertaining and relaxing. So let me know what sort of videos do you like me to make. I have purchased some hair. I know quite my old subscribers, they also came in my channel because I was doing hair reviews and weave wigs, beauty overall. I'm still making these type of videos. And yeah, guys, I hope you watch my other videos because I've got plenty in this channel. No more bread because otherwise I'm not going to have enough. Oh, well, so are your children like my daughter? She starts just picking the food now before I even finish cooking. But I told her it really takes 10 minutes. I mean, you know, overall, all in all. Yeah, guys, I'm just here beating the eggs. And I'm trying to figure out this iPhone 12, guys, is where I'm recording from. Beaten eggs here for you guys. We reaching towards the end. Yeah, and I'm checking myself. You know, you gotta look good in these streets, you know. Well, I guess everyone knows how to beat an egg, so yeah, we're gonna move forward. Chips there. Now we're going to put the chicken in there. So loves, we have got the chips in there, we have got the chicken in there, in that sort of a, you know, marinade that you saw earlier. And then we're gonna just, you know, go over with our eggs, okay? And from there, your meal is pretty much done. You're gonna let your egg cook a little bit because unless you want it like a wet, you know, but I prefer well done. And yeah, guys, it's pretty much the end, you know? And let's just see how everything gonna turn out. Just decorating, garnishing, you know, with your green spring onions, how you like it. Put some, you know, parsley or, you know, any other green that makes the plate, the dish look very nice and fresh. Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I apologize if it's too long for you guys, but I find this type of videos very relaxing. I hope I have motivated you to clean your space and cook yourself an amazing easy dinner. Until next time, take care. Bye.